honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to make some you know what in my you know what. I'll be making some chicken wings in my air fryer. And these wings have been marinating overnight in my plain yellow mustard, champion chicken seasoning, and the 6 pepper blend. Okay, and this has salt in it. Well, I think they both got salt in it. Okay, so I'm putting this up. And I'm going to bread my chicken with some Louisiana spicy recipe. That's what I got a taste for today. And I'll be using my breader shaker bowl. I'll leave a link for it in my description box, but on Amazon they're $20 now. I think that's too much money. It's usually $12.95 or $13.95, something like that. So I think $20 is a bit much, even though I love it. And it doesn't take up a lot of space in the cabinet. I had a real big one. That thing was so big, it was ridiculous. Okay, so I got my wings cut, and I left the tip on the wing, the flat. So I'm going to put first I'm going to preheat my air fryer. Preheat. And my air fryer is sitting on top of a rolling countertop tray. So I can roll this out from the wall. And the Cosori fits on this one perfectly. I had a smaller one that I used to put my other air fryer on, but the Cosori didn't fit on that one. But this is wide enough for the Cosori. So I'm going to shake my breading into the bowl. And I'm not going to use all these wings. There's one that got some meatloaf in the oven. So, I guess that's enough for now. And I'll be spraying my breaded chicken with some olive oil in my Evo oil sprayer. So, like I said, these wings have already been seasoned and marinated. I got a notion to fix just flats, but I won't do that. Let's see, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I'll fix 4 wings. Wash my hand. I'll be back. So I'm gonna put these back in the refrigerator. Top on here and shake it up. Breads quite nicely. Of course, you can just put them in a bag and shake it up like we used to do back in the day. Back then we used brown paper bags. Okay. This is preheated and long enough. So I'm gonna stop it. Push this back. Put my wings on here. Shake off the excess. Try not to let your, if you do this, try not to let your arm hit any part of the air fryer because it's hot, just like an oven would be. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's the way these look. And I'm going to spray it. With this sprayer, you need to hold it up high, or else it'll come out in a string. If you just pull the trigger back a little bit, it'll come out in a string, which I don't want. So I have to hold it up high and pull it all the way back. So it'll come out in a nice wide spray. Okay, so pull this back out. Put it on the chicken setting and go. I want it to go for, I want to set it for 400 degrees instead of 380. But it will cook. Oops. It will cook at 380 just fine, but I'm extra. Okay, so I'll be back when I'm plating up my chicken wings, and I'm not going to have to flip my wings in the Cosori. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm getting ready to stop my air fryer, even though it has 3 more minutes on it. And at the last minute, Walter said, wait, will you put me one in there? So he just wanted one, so I'll put one in there. I'm going to stop it, even though he got 2 big old meatloaves in the oven. So let me show you how it looks. And you can hear the sizzle. Y'all hear it? Okay, we'll put it. I think he can have 2 of the drumettes. I didn't flip it. That's how the other side looks. Y'all know I like my flats, and I'm going to eat these wing tips also. See, both sides are brown. Yeah, he can have the flats. I mean the drumettes. Here's a little, I don't even know what this little thing is. So he just wanted, oh, okay. Put that over there. Okay, show y'all my little basket of chicken wings. Okay, I guess that's a good thumbnail. Like I said, ouch, I didn't flip it. And brown on both sides. Nice golden brown chicken. Mmm. So, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a blessed rest of the day. Bon appetit. It's too hot to bite, y'all. I'll wait a few minutes. I'll be back for the taste test. Okay, I'm going to do the taste test. They cook for 22 minutes, 22 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. No flipping. The other side. Okay. It's still hot. Oh my goodness. Crispy. You should like hot sauce on my chicken. You don't need nothing but a good letting alone. This is good, y'all. Make you want to do this. Thanks for watching. I'm going for real now. Bye.